Hello, thank you for visiting my channel today. I'm May and I am glad you are here. This is third in the series of the jobs that I have been creating videos on where you do not need any experience. Today's job is Uber and it's Uber Eats. You can work for yourself by delivering for Uber, and it is a great alternative to traditional part-time delivery driver jobs or other part-time employment, temporary jobs, or seasonal work. Or maybe you drive with Uber or are an Uber Eats customer and want to supplement your income. Now you can see how becoming a food driver on the Uber platform can help you meet those goals. Uber Eats offers food delivery driver alternatives in major cities across the US, including Austin, Boston, Chicago, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, New York City, San Francisco, and Seattle, plus hundreds of other cities, large and small, around the country. Get paid to deliver. Your vehicle, your time. Grab your car, your bike, or a scooter and be a delivery driver whenever you want for an hour, a weekend, or throughout the week. Also, when you get paid, you can get paid quickly. You can get paid to deliver using Uber. Your earnings are automatically transferred to your bank account every week. Plus, with instant pay, food delivery drivers can cash out up to 5 times a day. You can track your earnings, so before you accept any order, you'll be able to see how much you'll get paid to deliver it. In addition, customers have the option to tip in app, and 100% of the tips are yours to keep. How does food delivery work? If you're new to earnings with Uber, you'll need to sign up to be a delivery person, consent to a screening, and upload the required documents and a photo. Once you're notified that you are active, you can begin to receive delivery requests. The driver app offers resources and will help you learn as you go. When you have been accepted by Uber to be a driver for Uber Eats and you're ready to start being a delivery driver, you can go online in the driver app. The app will show available food delivery requests near you, and you can tap to accept. And when you deliver orders, the app provides suggested navigation and information from restaurants and your customers to help you deliver and let it run smoothly. If you need more assistance, you can contact support in the app also. And when you earn your money, you'll get paid for every pickup and drop off you complete, plus a per mile rate. In some cities, you'll also receive a per minute rate. In addition, Uber Eats customers can tip you if they'd like. And here's what you need to become a delivery driver using Uber. Delivery by car, be at least 19 years old, have a two-door or four-door car, have a valid driver's license in your name, submit your social security number for us to run a background screening. And also, if you're delivering with a scooter, be at least 19 years old, have a motorized scooter up to 50cc, have a valid driver's license in your name, Submit your social security number for us to run a background screening. And when signing up, be sure to choose delivery by scooter under transportation method. So if you want to deliver with a bicycle or on foot, be at least 18 years old, have a government issued ID, submit your social security number for us to run a background screen. When signing up, be sure to choose delivery by bicycle and in certain cities, delivery by bicycle or foot under transportation method. The driver's app. If you're a delivery driver, you'll download the same app as rideshare drivers. Uber's driver's app is easy to use and gives you information that can help you make decisions while you're getting paid to deliver food. Under frequently asked questions, can I deliver using an Uber Eats app and also be a food delivery driver for a restaurant or another delivery app? The answer is yes. You can keep doing food delivery jobs, courier jobs, or delivery with other apps and also get paid to deliver using Uber Eats in your free time with your own vehicle. Whether you deliver using a car, scooter, bike, or your feet, whether you're a catering driver, taxi driver, or truck driver, or you drive using another rideshare app or any other food delivery service worldwide, we welcome you to the Uber platform. When you're ready to sign up to be a deliverer for Uber Eats, you can click here to sign up to deliver. Put your phone number in. Once you put in the way you would like Uber to contact you, either by email or by phone, or by Facebook or by Apple, then you'll come to this screen where it says Earn with Uber. Decide when, where, and how you want. Where would you like to earn? Say Philadelphia, referral code. And then after that, you hit next. So now you will choose whether or not you want to give rides with the car or deliver with the car. And continue. Then you will be taken to this screen. This is the background check where you will put in your legal first name, your legal middle name, or your legal last name. And if you have a middle name, you put it in. If not, you check this box. And it will take you to the next screen where you will upload your documents that they ask for, which is a photo ID, social security card, and other information. They will notify you when your application has been processed. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and get notified by clicking the bell so that you will be updated on new videos, and have a great rest of your day.